Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to put an image in a shape on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is, so if you want to do something like this, we can, let me just delete this. Okay, let me just start with a new page. You can add image. Let's assume we want to put this particular image in a shape, let's say circle or whatever shape you desire. So the first thing you have to do is to click on this element section and go to the search element here and search for frame or mockup. Why I'm saying frame or mockup is that they have once they have this particular background, the green hills or mountains and the cloud and the blue sky, you can add any image to them. So these are the mockups where you can add various types of images to the circles or the frames here, while the frames are just basic skeletal representations of this mockup. So let's assume I want to add it. I like something like this. I can add it here and take this photo inside here, and we'll wait for the picture to get in. So I can go back to my frame and choose any frame of choice. Let me just choose something beautiful. Okay, let's just choose this phone model. I can take it here. Take this one. You can see it's has brought a very, this is very lovely. So I can choose a different photo or picture here. Okay, let me choose this and take it in here, and we can see, guys, this is just good. This just appears like a real phone, and that is it, guys. This is how to put an image in a particular shape on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, guys, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment below. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.